Hi guys, and welcome to this bar workout for defined lean legs and a lifted booty. So you do not need to be a ballet dancer to do this workout. All you need to do is really follow the setup and focus on the technique, and you will see amazing benefits while doing this workout. Now your legs will start to burn, they'll start to shake, and that is exactly what I want, but you need to push through it. So pause the video, do a quick warm up, and let's get ready to go. You will need a bar or a chair, a couch, a tabletop, or even a wall, just something to hang on to so you can find some balance. Other than that, just yourselves. All right, you guys, we are going to be starting with our feet in a small V position. So it would be a ballet first, but you have your heels together, big toes apart. We're not over forcing the turnout. It should just feel really comfortable in the hips and ankles. So from here, your outside arm reaches out to the side and you take a plie and a stretch. A plie and a stretch. Make it super small. Make sure that you keep your big toes, your pinky toes, and your heels pressing to the floor, squeezing those inner thighs and glutes on the way up. This can be 2 more. Now this one, I want you to hold it down here and little pulses. Pulse, squeeze, pulse, squeeze, pulse, squeeze. You got it. See if you can get a little bit deeper. Pressing those knees out so you find a diamond shape through the legs. You have 4 and 3, 2. Hold this plie, heels come up and down, pressing through those big toes. Lift and lower, lift and lower. You have 4 more and 3 and 2. Heels stay up, glue them together now. We pulse for 3, 2, 1. Stretch those legs, draw the kneecaps up. 3, 2, 1. Stretch. Make sure you're pressing through both balls of the feet. That's it. 3, 2, 1. And stretch. Get deeper. 3, 2, 1. Stretch. 3, 2, 1. Stretch. Imagine you have a wall right behind you. You're sliding down it. Watch that you don't fold forward. Keep that posture. Singles down and up. Lower and lift. Lower and lift. Lower and lift. You have 4 and 3. You need 2 more here. Hold it down here, little pulses. Pulse, squeeze, pulse, squeeze. Squeeze those heels together. Press through the balls of your feet. Press through those big toes. Can you get a ½ inch deeper now? Pulse down, pulse down. Those thighs are gonna start to burn. Let them burn. Let them shake. Hold and freeze. We go down an inch, up an inch, down an inch, up an inch. Make it small, make it precise. An inch is tiny, yeah, for 4 and 3 and 2. Hold it down, hold, squeeze those heels, hold, press those knees, press out, press out, press out, press, 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 press. Keep going. Can you go down for 2, up for 2, down for 2, up for 2, it's shaking, down for 2, and up, it is burning. Last one, all the way up, stretch those legs, lower your heels. Well done, we're gonna keep that turned out position. You're just gonna step this outside foot backwards so you're in a big split stance position. We take a deep curtsy, lowering it down. Catch your breath and lift it back up. Lower it down and lift. This back knee should be able to almost touch the floor. That's how deep I want you to get. If we can get deep now on the slow ones, we can continue to go deeper as we pick up this tempo. Down and up, down and up. Good, 4 more here. 4 and 3 and 2. Hold it here, hold it here. Pulse down and pulse, pulse down and pulse. Press those knees out, press. Little squeezes for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 more. Hold and freeze, press this back knee out. Press it back, press it back, press it back. You got it, guys. Keep going, get deeper for 8, 7, 6, I know it's burning, 4, 3, 2, get deeper in that curtsy. Curtsy step together, curtsy step together. Curtsy, find your first position. That small V, you have 4 and 3 and 2. If you want to find a little bit more balance, bring toe to knee. Curtsy, passe, curtsy, passe. Lower and lift, lower and lift for 4 and 3. You need 2 more. Last one, back to the curtsy and you hold. Bring your toes forward, hold. Sit deeper in the lunge. Pulse it down again. Pulse down. Pulse down. Drop that back knee. Shimmy those feet a little bit wider if you need to get deeper. You have 4 and 3. Hand to your hip. Check this move. This is the lunge. Extend the back leg to a hinge. You lunge and you hinge forward. Lunge and hinge. Weight comes over that front heel. Lunge and hinge. It switches that glute on. We lunge and hinge. Lunge and hinge. Taking it into the glutes now, yeah? That supporting glute is really firing. Give me 2 more. Last one, hold this hinge, hold. Bring that hand forward, bring that weight forward. Hold it here. Outside arm and leg, stretch this long. We pulse it up, pulse up. Hinge forward more. Try to find a tabletop line from that arm to that toe. You have 4, 3, check this move, elbow to knee, in and out, in and out. Keep the rest of the body as still as possible. You have 4 and 3 and 2 to go a little quicker. Let's flow with it. Pull it in, pull in, pull in, pull in. Good. Sit deeper on that supporting leg. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch it long. Turn inward to your bar. Keep this front leg where it is. It's still facing forward. So now we have an inversion in that front hip. You lift that back toe up and down, up and down. If you need to place that front hand on the bar or surface, you can. You have 4 and 3. Twist deeper to really get into that glute. Last one, step together and stretch your legs. Woo! That really gets into those glutes. So we focus on the front of the leg first and then the back of the leg. Now this time, I want you to flip it over to the other side. So I'll have my right hand on the bar this time, but we'll change the feet position to a parallel stance. So big toes, ankles, knees, inner thighs, everything is zipped up into its midline. Very, very simple to start. We plie and stretch. We plie and stretch. Take this time to have a little breather. Let those legs release. We're gonna shake again, I promise. Good, 4 more. And 3. And 2. Hold your plie here. Little pulses. Pulse down and squeeze. Pulse down and squeeze. Breathe. Good, can you get a little bit deeper now for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold this plie. Heels pop up, press down. Up, press down, lift. Resist pressing those heels back down. You have 4, press it. 3, resist it. 2, heels stay high. 3 pulses. We go 3, 2, 1. Stretch those legs. 3, 2, 1. Draw those kneecaps off. 3, 2, 1. Lift. Is your chest lifted? Watch that you're not hinging forward. And lift. 3, 2, 1. Lift. We're gonna do 2 more like this. And we take it to a single plie. Bend, stretch, lower, lift, drop, and lift for 4. Up, 3, and 2. Hold this plie here. Pulse it down. Pulse, squeeze, squeeze everything into the middle of the body. Squeeze those knees together. Squeeze those inner thighs. Imagine I place a piece of paper in between those inner thighs. Hold it there for 4, 3, 2. Now we go. Down an inch, up an inch, down an inch, up an inch. Are your legs shaking yet? Mine are. You have 4. Make it tiny. And 2. This time, hold, tuck that tailbone. Tuck, release, tuck, release, tuck, release, tuck, release. 4 and 3 and 2. We're gonna take it down for 2, up for 2. Take it down and down, up and up. Take it down and down. Let it shake. Take it down and up. Last one, keep squeezing. Last one, all the way up. Stretch those legs. Ooh, the fire is real, you guys. The burn is real. but just rock back onto your heels. We're gonna keep it moving. Outside leg steps back. Nice wide stance, breathe, lift the chest. Deep curtsy, lower down, and lift. Lower down, and lift. Press both knees out, breathe, and lift. Breathe, and lift. Let's flow, go down, and up, lower, and lift. So that back knee won't touch the floor now. Just make sure you're dropping as low as you can go. 3, and 2. Last one, hold it here, little pulse up. Pulse down, and squeeze. Pulse down, and squeeze. Can you drop a little bit lower? Good job, guys, you have 4. And 3, and 2. Get ready to pulse this knee back. Pulse it back, pulse back. Little squeeze, wrap it back behind you. Work into glute med. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Feel that thigh lengthening. Now we take a curtsy, step together. Curtsy, step together. Let's get that heart rate back up, yeah? Curtsy, step together. Curtsy, step together. Bring those heels together, yeah? Find that first. And if you want more balance, up to pasta, you have 8 more. Lift, 7, lift, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. You step back to the curtsy, hold. Turn your toes forward. We find our parallel stance. For the lunge, we pulse it down. Little squeeze, shimmy those legs if you need to, reset. Make sure that back knee drops down to the floor. You're pressing through that front heel. Knee is over the heel. 3, 2, hand to your hip, watch it. Lunge, hinging forward, just extend that back leg. Lunge, lift the chest, hinge forward, extending that back leg. Lunge, and hinge when the weight comes over that front heel, that right glute, my right hand is on the bar, so my right glute will switch on. Good, let's flow, hinging forward. Lunge, hinge, lunge, hinge, lunge, hinge, lunge. You have 4, 3, 2, last one. You hold your hinge here, hold. Reach your outside arm and leg nice and long to pulse it up here. Pulse lift, pulse lift, pulse lift, pulse lift. Good, keep it going. Sit deeper on that supporting leg. Pulse and squeeze for 4, 3, knee to elbow. Slowly squeeze, reach. Squeeze it in, reach it out. Squeeze it in, reach it out. Abs are tight. You have 4, 3, 2. Last one, a little quicker now. Pull in and squeeze. Freeze the rest of the body. Give me 8 more here. You got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Get ready for that inversion. Reach it long, hold. Turn inward towards your bar surface, hold. Now, we're lifting that back foot. Lift, lower, lift. Lower, that front hand can come to your bar. Keep turning inward to it. Make sure you haven't changed that bottom leg. 2, and last one. Good job, release, and shake it out. Fantastic. Now just to finish, we're gonna take our feet nice and wide. You don't need your bar, but I want you to have your feet nice and wide. Second position, plie. Lower and lift, lower and lift. Bend, stretch, bend, stretch. Keep it moving. Drive out of those heels, squeeze your glutes at the top. 2 more. Hold it here, little pulses down, pulse down, pulse down, little squeeze. Press those hands down. Good, now we're gonna add the right heel, then the left heel. One heel up and down, the other heel up and down. Go ahead and mirror me. Good, stay low in those legs, get deeper, find that challenge zone. You have 4, and 3, and 2. Both heels up and down. They lift and lower. They lift and lower. Up, down, up, down. Last 4, 3, 2. Hold it here, hold. Can you sink a ½ inch deeper? Hold. Reach those hands forward in front of you. Hold. Breathe into it. Down an inch, up an inch to finish. Go down an inch, up an inch, down an inch, up an inch. Press through those big toes, lift your chest. You have 4, and 3. Let it shake if it starts to shake. 2, and 1. Hold. Arms reach up overhead. Sit deeper for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stretch those legs, lower it down, and walk your feet back in. Shake those legs out. Well done, you guys. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this bar sequence. It is so good. It works your inner, outer thighs. It lengthens down the thighs. It lifts your glutes. It is amazing. So if you weren't feeling that burner shake, go back and do this whole video again and focus on the setup and the technique. Get deeper. Yeah, make it more precise, little tiny squeezes. And I guarantee you, your legs will be on fire. All right, let's just have a quick stretch. I hope you felt that burn, you guys. Oh, I love it. So nice thigh stretch. Always make sure you finish with a good stretch here, just to release those muscles so you don't feel stiff or sore the next day. Then go ahead and step that foot back, calf stretch. Breathe into it. And cross it over. Sit down to your glute stretch. Breathe, 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 breathe. Right, guys, this was about a 15-minute bar workout, and I burned 150 calories as well. So imagine you did a 55-minute bar class, you're looking at burning almost 600 calories, yeah? So it's amazing. Bar workouts are not to be underestimated. I love them so, so much. All of my training as a dancer always makes me want to do my workouts like a dancer, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Press that heel down. And then finish on your glute stretch here. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I have exclusive workouts on my Patreon account. If you haven't joined me there, go ahead and check it out. And I have new workouts every single Monday. So you guys, thank you for joining me. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I can't wait to see you on my next video soon. Bye, guys.